Welcome everyone! What's going on with your big toes? Here you can see a piece of nail left behind from an ingrown toenail removal. Maybe you're experiencing changes with your big toenails and don't know how to stop it or reverse it. I'm going to show you where to start and how you can restore your nails. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Atlanta, they have the same thing, but they're dealing with what you do with the drills and stuff, but it still wasn't the same. It didn't really shape up anything.
I love movies about the Air Force.
Yeah, I think I like more Marines. Their movies seem much better. That's new with the curving of the tip.
Okay.
They didn't use the curve.
It didn't used to go underneath
Yeah.
like that, huh? Let's see what's going on with that. That's the little piece that keeps growing, huh?
And when I go to the pedicures, they clip it all the way down.
Yep.
It kind of disappear, but eventually it'll come back. So I got a pedicure done for one of my vacations. She cut it down as close as she could, so. 'Cause I wanted to keep it to have something for you to look at.
Mm-hmm. But she gave me one. It was nice.
Yeah, I said, but I guess, I don't know if she's new to me, an Asian lady that does like intense pedicures. And she speaks, I want to say maybe she's Japanese. And her toes, or what she works on, their toes are very intense on how they look. And she uses like tools, like metal tools sometimes to straighten them out.
I thought you were going to tell me that it was like the reflexology, because that's...
I mean, reflexology is cool and all, but I need some
physical manipulation.
I'll go to the people that work on athletes, guys.
Yes. Yes.
To do movement, to do with tools, to do with cupping, anything around the pelvis or on the hips. Because I can just get up and up.
Mm-hmm.
You know, people coughing, they don't cover their mouth. Babies rolling all on the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. That drives me crazy.
Yeah. On the airplane, roll around the floor. You know, people take the shoes off from the plane.
Did you bang your toe?
I thought maybe I don't remember saying it. Maybe they want first I went to put acrylic on there, so maybe that could have had effect on how it was going out. If I left it on too long.
Well, how long has this dark area been underneath?
Not picture.
Sometimes dark areas can be from stains. Sometimes dark areas can be from something called melanonychia.
Yeah.
But sometimes you can get a mole under your toenail and you need to have it checked for melanoma.
Okay.
So we have to keep an eye on this dark spot. If it grows up with the toenail, then it's nothing to worry about.
Okay.
If it stays the same shape in the same area, then you need to go have it checked at the dermatologist.
Okay. The last time I got done was May, and it didn't seem to.
Alright, so that curved part of the nail is all out.
Okay, good.
So hopefully, if this nail starts to grow using the nail mycosis, it should stay straight, and this skin will get pushed down, and that nail wall will come right up here, and it won't be pushing in here over here anymore. Oh my gosh, I must be in a group message.
Sound like the Christmas. Will I have to do anything other than putting the nail mycosis on? Do I need to file anything?
You don't need to file anything. The only thing that I would say that you could do is use your Ingrown sidewalk cleaner, and just to make sure that this groove is free of any buildup or debris,
Okay.
because if it gets full of debris, you know, it can cause discomfort.
Okay.
Just make sure it's clear, then the product can get to the area, it can moisturize everything.
Okay.
How they look.
Oh, great.